In this video, I explain about how to find duplicate values in Python by using pandas library. So at first step, I import pandas as PD. PD is its abbreviation. Here is spelling mistake. Now I write dataset. Column name is A semicolon bracket start. And this is the second column, which is B braces start. DF represented data frame, PD dot data frame. Because pandas is not deal with dictionary, so pandas deal only two type of data set. One is series. When your data is present in the form of array, it is called series, and when your data is formed in the shape of rows and columns, it is called data frame. So we convert in data frame because this data has two columns and data is presented in the shape of rows and columns. So we convert DF is the abbreviation of data frame is equal to PD, because data frame is the concept of pandas library. So PD dot data frame into data, the name of your data set. So now it is convert in the data frame format of pandas, which is represented by D. So our whole data is represented in DF, means data frame. We want to search duplicate values. DF underscore duplicate, DF dot duplicated. Duplicated is the command that is used to search duplicate. Print command is used to print the values. Here is spelling mistake, duplicated. So I again enter. Our program is run. When you apply duplicate command, your result is come in the shape of Boolean data type. Boolean data type is represented as true or false or 0 and 1. In this data set, false one when your row is not duplicated, and true represented when your row is duplicated. So 1 1 is the first row, it name is at false. 2 2, this is the second row, names it as false. 4 4, there is no 4 4, again false. 3 3, there is no 3 3, again false. 2 2, at fifth number this row tally with the second row, so it is called it as true. Its data type is Boolean, which is the abbreviation of BOOL. Bold is as abbreviated. It is the abbreviation of Boolean. So remember that when your row is not duplicated, it is called as false, and when your rows are duplicated, it called as true. At fifth number row which is duplicate with second row, so it is called as true. And this is the small data set. If your data set is very big and you want the number of rows, you want to calculate which number of rows, then the command is used dot sum. Here one row is duplicated. When you extend this program further, df dot duplicated dot sum, one row is the duplicated is the answer. If you like this video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel Statisticians Club. Thanks for watching.